Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because today we are diving into something absolutely magical. Every year on 16th of June here in Pisa, I get to experience the incredible Luminara di Sanieri. But let me tell you, it never gets old. Tonight was absolutely spectacular. I'm going to take you through everything from our early arrival to mind-blowing finale. Early afternoon around 3 pm, nearly 190 volunteers start lighting 100,000 candles called lumini and place them on the wooden frames fitted along the Lungarni. These aren't just any ordinary candles, each one is placed in these special glass-shaped holders. And exactly at 11 pm, fireworks ignite from floating platforms between Ponte della Fortezza and Ponte Solferino, a 25-minute burst of magic. So we headed to the center around 6 pm, and yeah, it was still blazing sunny and super hot. I know what you're thinking. Why so early for an 11 pm fireworks show? Well, this is the insider tip. We immediately claimed our spots right here on the banks of the Arno River. Trust me, by 11 pm there will be literally thousands of people fighting for any view of the river. We are talking shoulder to shoulder crowds. So we are basically camping out for 5 hours. But that's all the part of Luminara experience. It's like a massive community picnic where everyone's just chilling, waiting for the magic to begin. Now, with 100,000 open flames and thousands of people, safety is very crucial. I spotted these officials cruising the Arno River in their boats, making sure everything runs smoothly. It's like having guardian angels on the water. As the sun starts to set, this is when the real magic begins. The evening light bouncing off that river, the historic buildings glowing in that perfect golden hour light. I literally got goosebumps witnessing this transformation. But here's the story that will give you chills. This tradition started way back in 1688 when the remains of Saint Ranieri, Pisa's patron saint, were moved to a special chapel in the cathedral. The entire city lit candles to honor this procession, and that's how this legendary festival was born. And this is the tradition that's nearly 700 years old. So here we are, living the true Luminara experience. 5 hours of waiting. But what I love is how everyone's in the same boat. Literally sitting for hours, sharing food, making friends with strangers. It's like one massive community gathering. And then at exactly 11 pm, the moment we've all been waiting 5 hours for, the fireworks explode over the Arno. After sitting in the sun since 6 pm, this makes every minute of waiting worth it. The sky literally comes alive with every color imaginable. Each firework reflects perfectly in the water, creating this double spectacle. And because we secured our prime spots early, we get the absolute best view. Look at this. Now let me be real with you, this place gets packed. We are talking about thousands and thousands of people all trying to get the best view. It literally took us over 30 minutes just to cross one small bridge because everyone's moving at the snail pace. But seriously, no regrets. And just when you think it can get any better, they light up the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The entire tower glows against the night sky like some ancient beacon. It looks like something straight off a fantasy movie. This is the moment everyone's been waiting for, the perfect Instagram shot. But honestly, just being here and witnessing this with your own eyes is worth more than any photo. So if you ever plan to visit Pisa during the month of June, do not miss the chance to experience Luminara di Sanieri. If this video made you want to pack your bags for Italy, hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible content. Also drop a comment telling me what's the most magical festival you've ever been to. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye!